In this session, we will learn how to work with the options which are in the Home tab. Already we have learned about clipboard options and font options in MS Word. But now we will see how to place the borders. Generally, if we print this sheet, then it will not print these lines. It will show like this. With the help of this option, we can place borders for the selected data. Now I am selecting this data and select the option Thick Box Borders. In print preview, we can see this border clearly. Here it shows only outside border. And if we want to place the borders for every cell, then select All Borders option. In print preview, we can see borders for every cells. Like this, we can place the borders and we can also remove these borders by selecting No Border option. Now it shows in normal. Generally, we used these three alignments. This is the top alignment, bottom alignment and middle alignment. These are called vertical alignment and generally we used horizontal alignments. Here the numbers will be in right alignment and the characters will be in left alignment. When the row height is increased, then we can see the effect of vertical alignment. This is the indentation and we already learned about this option in previous sessions. Next one is orientation. This option is used to rotate the text in diagonal angle and vertical orientation. Here we can select angle counterclockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. And here we can also control the orientations. In alignment, we have some other options. Here I am selecting shrink to fit. Now I am typing a long word. When we press enter key, then it will fit to that cell only and it will not go to next cell. Like this, we can use shrink to fit option. Next one is wrap text. For example, if we type a long word, then it will go to the next cell. So, to avoid this continuity, we have to select text wrapping. Then the text will fit within the cell only. Next option is merge and center. It is used to merge the two or more cells. For example, if we want to merge these two cells, then select it and click on merge option. Then it will show like this. In merge, we have some other options. If we want to remove that merge, then we have to click on unmerge cells option. Like this, we can merge two or more cells. When we are preparing the statements, then we can use this option. We can also merge the cells vertically. Here we can see these two cells are merged vertically. Now select unmerge. Next we will see number formatting. This option is used to how to display the numbers in a cell and it will format the number according to the given number. For example, I am selecting number. Now it shows value in points. It will shows normal when we select the general format. And if we select currency, then it will shows like this. Accounting format. Like this, we can select different formats. Now I am selecting general format. Here we can also select currency format, percentages, commas to separate the thousands. These two options are used to increase or decrease the decimal points. If you want to show more options, then click here. Here we can see number of styles and it has sub options. For example, I am selecting currency. Here we can set decimal point and finally click on OK button. Next option is Conditional Formatting. Now I am selecting this data. In Conditional Formatting, I am selecting Highlight Cells Rules. Here we have some other options. I am selecting greater than, and here I am giving the value that which we have to highlight, and we can also select that in which color you have to highlight the values. Here I have selected green fill with a dark green text and click on OK button. Now it will highlight the value which are greater than 80 in green color. So the cells will format according to the given conditions. Like this, I am selecting another option, top or bottom rules, top 10%. With the help of this option, we can highlight the top 10 ranks. Here we have to select colors. Next one is data bars. Like this, it will highlight the selected data. Next option is color scales, and it will shows like this. With the help of this option, we can set different types of icons. We can highlight the selected text with these symbols. Next option is Format as a table. Here we have some predefined tables. First we have to select the table, and here it will shows the range A1 colon H10. Colon is used to show the range of the cells. Now it shows like this. Next option is cell styles. For example, I am selecting this line. Here we have options like normal, bad, good and neutral. We can observe that the background color is changed for the selected data when we place the cursor on these options. Here we can also select different types of heading styles. Next, I am selecting these 4 columns and click on Cell Style. Here we have data style options like calculations, check cell, input, note, linked cell, etc. Now I am selecting input, and these 2 columns are calculation data, so we have to select this option. Like this, we can select different types of styles for each data.